Siddharth, can you please help me to wash the clothes?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Wow, very good, Siddharth. Very good. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Now, what will you do?
Hey, someone closes there.
You can open it. Mm-hmm. Now, what will you do?
To take off these clothes.
Okay. Good job. Put all the clothes inside. Good, good, good.
Oh, wait.
Mm-hmm. I think you should put more.
Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Now?
Yeah. Yeah. Good job. Mm-hmm. How will you take it outside?
It's really hot.
You can try.
I can't take it.
You need help? Okay, let's do it. You carry from that side. Pick it up. Go back. Go back. Yes. Okay. Can you please hang one cloth over there? Over here.
Where?
On the stand. This one.
I can do it.
Just take one of the clothes. Spread it properly, Siddharth. Okay. Good. Spread it. Spread it. Like this. Spread it.
No.
Hang this one. Okay. Good job. You have to put it like this. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Show me how have you done. Okay. Great job.